Hello, day 30 of Circuit Breaker in Singapore. Look at this beautiful chocolate cake baked by the neighbor. She passed us a cake. I think she's a wonderful baker, and look at that. So exquisitely beautiful, pretty chocolate balls, fruits on top for decoration. Oh, such a piece of art, so beautiful. Wow. We took many photographs, and I'm also making a video to commemorate day 30 of Circuit Breaker in Singapore with a beautifully done chocolate cake from our good neighbor. Look at those chocolate balls. Wow, how exquisite. I don't know how she does this, but wow, this is really tasty, wonderful chocolate cake. We were told made from very high quality baking chocolate. After all the video and pictures, time to cut it up, to eat, to keep in the fridge, and to eat and to enjoy, and a slice for myself. Small slice, but it was so filling because the chocolate is just so rich and delicious. Yums, all the calories, but who cares? Eat first. Enjoy day 30 of Circuit Breaker Singapore.